Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kandi, and we are going to do this Valentine's Day look, and this is the anti-Valentine's Day, also known as the Black Valentine's Day look. Okay guys, so as you know, I've already completed my eyebrows, and this time I actually did complete my face too. So what we got to do really today is just the eyes and the lips. So let's jump right in. The first color we're going to be using is from my ColourPop collection, and this is the shade Little Boat. We're going to place this directly above the crease and then blend that out. And then once it has been blended out, we're going to then gently pat a little bit on the lid and blend that out as well. The next shade we're going to be using is called Let's Do It, and this is their nice black shade, and we're going to be placing that directly on top of that brown shade, and we are going to be winging that out to the outer corner of my eye. And then once that has been placed, we're going to go ahead and blend out the top line with that same brown shade. And we're pretty much just going to go ahead and define that line a couple times with the black and then go back in with the brown, just pretty much layering the colors and creating that more depth in the crease and making sure that really does pop out. Once both eyes have been completed, we're going to go in with the NYX Conceal, Correct, and Contour Kit, and we're going to be taking the brightest shade here, and we're going to be using a flat concealer brush and placing that directly on the lid, and then also creating this nice long wing. Once it has been done, we're going to go in with that same brown shade and we are going to pack that on the lid. And now we're in for the wing liner. So as you know, I do have a wing liner tutorial and I will make sure to link it up here for you. And we are going to be using the Maybelline eyeshadow, and this is the gel eyeliner in the blackest black. And we're going to be using a flat angle brush and applying the wing liner on. And I totally apologize. I thought it was recording and it totally was not. So we pretty much put the liner on. I did put a little bit of mascara on. I also put the liner on the bottom lashes, and then I just went in with that same black and brown shade, kind of mix them together and then place it on the lid, and then I'm blending that outwards. Once that's completed, we're going to redo my face because the powder didn't last that very long. So we're going to go back in with Sasha Cosmetics, and this is Buttercup. And I'm applying that with my beauty blender. And to add more contour, you know, I'm going to use my favorite. This is Sleek Cosmetics Contour Kit Dark. And we're going to reapply the mascara just because I want to add more depth, and we are just using the MAC Cosmetics. And then we're also using the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot, and this is from their Makeup Shale collection in the baddest black. And that's a nice little close-up for you guys so you can see what the eye look looks like. Now to go ahead and give myself my glow, we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and this is in the shade Golden Dawn. And now we're ready to finalize on these lips. So I am using a lip pencil. This lip pencil is from NYX Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Gunmetal. Alright guys, well, this is the final look. I hope you do like it. It is different than what I thought it was going to come out, to be honest with you. But we're just going to rock with this. It's like a cut crease thing. I have no idea what you would call it. It's not my favorite, but I was kind of hoping it would be like more like a Valentine's thing. Like I was thinking more like a flesh tone and then like a little bit of like a wing, but that totally didn't happen. So I don't know if I want this to be my Valentine's Day look. I don't know. Maybe if I like put black on my lips, like, because this is more like a shiny black. Like I want like a blah blah. Maybe that will help.
You know, in my opinion, whenever you wear black makeup, you look like a vampire. You're about to suck my blood. Remember I did my, hey, it's your channel. You want to.
I don't need that negativity in my room or in my channel talking about what I do look stupid. Bye. You ain't gotta be in here. Ain't nobody asking you to. This actually helped a lot. I think I like the more muted black than, excuse you, than the silvery. It looks better. It looks better. See, now I like this. This looks better. It looks better. What do you guys think? I thought something different. I really do like the other look I did on my Instagram with the black lipstick, and I'll pop it here. I kind of feel like that was more Valentine's Day-ish, but this is more kind of like, I don't know, Valentine's slash I'm going out for an evening. I did not put lashes on because I can't find them. Even though I have like lashes up there, like those are my collector lashes and I don't want to use them. So use your imagination on what kind of lashes you want to use. I would say the more drama the better, because this eye work is drama. I did change the look to matte than that silvery thing. I don't know what I was thinking, but I do like the matte better. You guys let me know. I'm gonna leave a poll up here. You tell me, do you like the silver or the black matte? You guys let me know. So as always guys, if you made it this far, then you might as well go ahead and click that subscribe button. And if you like the video, you might as well go ahead and click that like button. Go ahead, click it, click. I'm gonna stop rambling on, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay beautiful, feel beautiful, be beautiful. You guys are beautiful people. Don't forget that. Don't let anybody tell you you're not beautiful. You are beautiful inside and out. And I think he's taking a poop, so that is my cue to say goodbye. Bye guys, I will see you next time. Bye. My name is Oliver and I'm gonna smash. Yeah, look what's all on your hands right now.